guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing some more kitchen gadgets and storage, and it's a campaign that Temu is offering, and I could not pass it up. So of course, you know, I have a code. You definitely want to try to get the code, guys, because why the heck not? So I'm going to pop up the code up here, ACQ 812701, to get the amazing deals. Guys, happy shopping is all I gotta say. All right, so let's jump into the haul. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you're new, subscribe. And yes, let's get into the Temu kitchen and storage organization haul. All right, I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to start with this right here because I have not opened it up yet. I did go ahead and kind of prep the boxes so they'd be ready to go. Guys, I have been doing a kitchen haul from Temu, you know, almost every single month for the last year and a half. And I have a lot of things that have saved me a lot of hard work in the kitchen. And I'm so happy to, you know, have found Temu. And I'm telling you, if I dream it up and I need it for some kind of kitchen to help me, you know, stay organized or, you know, help me be more useful, Temu has it, I guarantee. First item, I had seen someone else hauling it, and I was like, I want one of those. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about, this has got all that little fuzzy stuff on it, but here is a glass tumbler, and it has a lid on it. You can do, you know, have it as a simple glass like this, or you can have it, let me get all this little fuzzy stuff off it. This is nice. I just like the way you can hold it and grip it right there. And it has the lid to it for, you know, if you want to take it outdoors and sip on it, it can close in and out. It has a little part here. Yes, you can close up and your drink is all secure if you're carrying it around as well. It also has a straw. And man, they package this thing up in all that little styrofoam piece. And here is the straw piece. And this is glass as well. And I just love this. Do I need another, you know, tumbler? No, but I don't have a glass one like this. And I just thought, sometimes I just like to drink certain things. One of the things that I do like to drink with glasses is my seltzer water. And if I'm drinking like regular milk or chocolate milk or something like that, I just prefer it to be in a glass. And I have, you know, different glasses, but this one kind of, you know, it's like a vintage look to it. I really like the fact that I can close it up if I'm, you know, carting it around, you know, if I'm traveling somewhere and I need to take something to drink. I can plug this bad boy up and it's going to stay closed. If I take it out, you know, like say I go to a, you know, a football game outdoors, it's going to be something I can take and I can close it in the elements. We're not going to get into it. The rest of these items are things that I picked out for gifts at Christmas, and I loved them so much, I went back and bought them for myself. My son shocked me because he originally, you know, requested some of these stuff, which I purchased them for him, and I gave him them at Christmas. And I was like, I want some. Now, he did let me hold one of the items because I already had a set of those, but the rest of it, oh my gosh. So we're going to start off with this right here, which was kind of funny, but he did pick it out. And before I forget, guys, all these product links will be put into the description box. But, you know, when he cooks, it's like for one or two people. So I was kind of like laughing when we opened this up, but then I realized this is actually ingenious for people who need to have a small kind of container. And I've already kind of cracked this open so I wasn't having to take time on the camera to do it. It's basically like a little Pyrex dish. That fuzz stuff is going to be the death of me, right? I thought I was over it at Christmas, but nope. It's in here as well too. But look at this. This is just a simple size serving. I want to say it's about like 20 inches. I don't even know. Is it on the box? But it will be in the product link for it. But I thought I want a small one too. I have several of these little glass, and this is the baking dish. You can put this in the oven. Of course, it's not going to give me dimensions on the box. But how perfect. Lasagna, burritos, you know, if you want to do, you know, some baked chicken or whatever you want to do, some casseroles. How stinking cute is that? I just love it. I love it. And I mean, he picked these things out, and I don't know at the time if he was thinking they were going to be, this one's going to be this small. I didn't even think that. It didn't even register. He just gave me a list, and I went in and picked it out, and I just said, you know, I'm not going to try to figure out no rhyme or reason. He liked it, and I wanted to get him something, you know, that he wanted, and he was trying to get things for the house he just moved into. So I'm like, you know, I love it, so I had to go buy me one. Now, the thing that I have already, I actually have several sets of these, are the wooden spoons. And he has really asked me to hurry and do this video. So, honestly, I don't have this particular set because he was smart. He knew, he went and got the one with all the pieces. And they come with extra little things, and I'll show you what it is. Let me pull this completely out of here. But it's basically this wooden set, and some of them are not in the thing here, that has a ton of pieces to it. I don't know what that is. I don't think I do. All right, so let's start with the beginning. So you have these little S hooks that you can put each one of these things in there because they have like a little, you know, section to hang it up if you want to go that route. There's what, 3, 4, 5 pieces for that. So you get these. And I wish my set had those, but it don't. Then it has this one here that's, and I'm not going to open it up, but it's for you to lay your utensil on it. So when you're cooking with it, it's not getting all over your stove. Don't have that. I would love to have it. But the pieces also, I had to order this holder separately for mine because I ordered the spoon set separately and then ordered this. And that was like, you know, double the trouble. But this all came together. It's like one whole set. So you get the S hooks, utensil holder, and you get all of these. You get the spoon, which is nice. It's kind of like got that wood grain look to it. That's all the rage now. You have another kind of spoon. All of them have their own purpose. This is nice. I like the way this one fans out. And here's like a traditional spatula. And these are pretty long and sturdy. And then you have one that can strain. That's nice. And then you have one that's almost, these actually could be like, you know, salad, maybe these two, or like a salad stir kind of thing or something like that. So all this, guys, with these S hooks, and my son picked this out, and I was like, okay. And I was pleasantly surprised, and I was like, okay. So he's been wanting my set of wooden spoons forever, and I'm like, no. And I told him if he wanted some, he could put it on his Christmas list, and he did, and he's got them. Now, he hadn't been able to use them because he actually has been letting me hold on to them because I didn't need to have, you know, any more sent to me because I already had this part of it. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to call him up and be like, I did the video. Come get your spoons. But one of the things that did not come with the with his set here was these tongs. Now, my son does like to use tongs, and I'm not going to open this up because it's got, you know, it's separate, and I'm going to give him this whole set. But it is a little bit different as far as the colors, but after you start washing them, and you do need to hand wash these guys, this was just something I know he uses because he gets stuff out of pans with them all the time, and he just likes them. And I said, well, I'm going to throw in this little piece as you know, as part of it, because why the heck not? Now he's got the whole shebang, and I know he's going to be happy. But the winner chicken dinner of this entire haul, guys, is this right here. And I don't think I'm going to open it up, but I will try to get some footage of him with his. He picked out, and this is massive. It's heavy, 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 heavy. This is 18 pieces, guys. An 18 pack of glass food storages. I'm going to let you look at it real quick, like here, because I'm not going to open this whole thing up. But look at all of those different bowls, and they're different sizes, different shapes. They have these snap lids on them, guys. I'm telling you, it's microwave safe. It's oven safe, of course, without the lid on it. You can put them in the refrigerator, and they're dishwasher safe. And they come in this, you know, his was like a turquoise color. And I'm thinking this is probably the same thing, like a bluish color. And I'm going to tell you, I had to have it. He picked this out on his own at Christmas, and I gave him one, and I said I had to have it. And, you know, I'm getting rid of all my plasticware, all my plastic Tupperware, all of that stuff's going away because I was like, I use it, but once you put like spaghetti or you do something like this, not these. If you use these glass containers, throw them in the dishwasher, you can clean them right up. Plastic, that stuff's going to stain, and you know it. This particular one was by VTO P Mart. So VTO, it's like V Top Mart, maybe that's what it is. That was the vendor I used. I will definitely put a link in it. 18 pieces, guys. I was so shocked that my son picked out such a great set. And of course, I am going to try to put in some, footage of things of where he's been using those utensils, as well as, these bowls and stuff, because I did want to break them open for the fact that it's, all contained, and I can take it right on upstairs and put it in the dishwasher and wash it. But Temu has a great campaign running right now. Use the code, guys, ACQ 812701, ACQ 812701. I'll pop it up. You need to go and check it out. You might find some kitchen gadgets that you can't live without. At least I did. All right, guys, with that said, if you hung to the video at this point, go ahead and put your favorite kitchen gadget in the comments. The reason why I say that is because maybe you have some oddball, gadget that you did. Maybe you got off Temu, maybe you didn't, that you use and it has been a lifesaver. Or maybe it's something that's traditional and that we all have and that we all have to have, when we're doing any kind of cooking in the kitchen. And as far as storage goes, I'm already, like I said, this is compact, stackable. The wooden spoons, I have those in a container. They're organized. My glasswares get organized. And I just think that this is an awesome opportunity to find some things to get our kitchens in order. And it doesn't hurt to have a code to use it with. So I'm going to say a big thank you to my son. He picked out some pretty cool items, and I cannot wait to start using them. All right, guys, I will see you very, very soon in the next one. Do not forget to like, share, comment. And if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe bell. It's totally free. And I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who supports me in this channel. Thank you very, very much. I'll see you very soon, guys.